Hi everyone, it's Alisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my simple 3 beautiful heatless hairstyles for super casual occasions. So let's begin. First, start parting the hair in 2 small sections both sides. I like to tie the rest of the hair to the back, keep it neat and tidy. And now I'm going to create 2 little ponytails both sides. Twisted the ponytail very tightly around itself and around the hairband, creating like a knot. Keep twisting until reaching to the end of the hair, so the longer of the hair, the bigger the knot, and then secure it with bobby pins. Repeat the same technique to the other side. Keep twisting it around itself and around the hairband. And once we finish, release the hair at the back, leave it out, and see how cute. This second hairstyle, I'm going to create a big ponytail both sides. So tie it up very high, using the same technique from previous hairstyle, but this time we're going to do it much looser. Wrap around the hairband and twist it the end. Continue to wrap around it until you reach to the end of the hair. Crisscross your bobby pin. Adjust according to your liking. That's done, my cute messy buns. Do you think it looks really cute? My third hairstyle is to create a Dutch braids, but this time we're going to add on only top hair sections only. Start doing the normal 3-strand braids. This is where we're going to start adding on the hair sections from the top. Continue braiding it down. It's up to you how far you want it to go. I think halfway down is just right for me, and then once we finish, tie it up with hairband. It is entirely up to you to create another braid on the other side, which I think either way, it is still going to be very pretty. you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more of my videos. So see you next time and have a lovely day. Bye!